With Intuit sunsetting support for QuickBooks POS later this October, a ton of sellers are wondering where that leaves them. Time is running out to find a solution for your business. And sticking with QuickBooks POS means finding a new payment processor. But with so many different providers and different prices and offerings, where do you even start looking? Enter Webgility Payments. Webgility has partnered with PaymentCollect to bring you reduced processing fees and keep your workflows in place with QuickBooks POS. Webgility Payments allows you to process payments directly with QuickBooks Desktop, QuickBooks POS, or QuickBooks Online, and ensures a real-time, fail-safe result. You can process chip cards, mobile payments, PIN debits, NFC, recurring payments, gift cards, and more, either through your POS terminal or directly online. Backed by a proven leader in payment processing, PaymentCollect adheres to the most sophisticated security standards and is committed to PCI compliance, so you can sleep soundly knowing that you, your customers' data, and your business operations are all kept safe. Most customers have seen up to a 20% reduction in monthly processing fees. Compare this to the alternative of switching your POS system to something like ShopifyPOS, where you're paying an industry high of 3.9%, plus a flat 30% processing fee on every transaction you process. This means that you can continue to use QuickBooks Point of Sale without a hitch and lower your overall costs on payment processing. Not to mention the added benefit of not having to switch software or change the way you do business. If you still have questions, you're not alone. We recently hosted a Q&A session for merchants just like you who have concerns over the times ahead for QBPOS, and you can find the answers you need here. To get started, head to webgility.com and click on Solutions and then Payments. Clicking Start Saving will bring you to a form to start your journey and get everything set up. Every customer is unique, but we'll tailor the estimate to your business by using your 3 most recent statements from QuickBooks Payments. Check the links in the description for more on Webgility Payments and our partnership with PaymentCollect, and follow Webgility for more updates on all things e-commerce.